Kutch, a land of extremes, a land of white salt, a land of endless patience. For more than 35 years, our journey has been built on one simple promise: to deliver industrial salt reliably, consistently, and at scale.
પણ 1989-90થી અમે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ સોલ્ટનું કામ ચાલુ કર્યું. શરૂઆતમાં મારું 50-60 હજાર ટનનું કામ હતું અને મારો ટાર્ગેટ એવો હતો કે ભાઈ મારું સારામાં સારું કામ હોવું જોઈએ. તો ત્યાર પછી ધીરે ધીરે અમે અત્યારે લગભગ 15 લાખ ટનના આસપાસનું વર્ષે કામ કરીએ છીએ. ઓલ ઇન્ડિયા આલ્કલી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી અને સોડા એસ બેમાં અમે સપ્લાય આપીએ છીએ.
In industrial salt supply, logistics is not a support function. It is the backbone. Every delay impacts production. Every disruption affects trust. That is why we have continuously invested in strengthening our supply chain. Today we supply materials seamlessly through roadways, railways and seaways, with rail transport forming the backbone of our operations. More than 75% of supplies move by rail.
To ensure reliability of our customers, we have focused on developing logistics chain by having 72 dumpers and 25 machineries to efficiently deliver the material on time. Our commitment is simple: dependable supply, superior quality, on-time delivery and long-term partnership with trust.
Our railway loading stations are strategically located at Gandhidham, Chirai, Bhimsar, Samakhyali, Surajbari, Malia, Vadharb, Lavanpur and Vavania, enabling faster dispatch and wider reach. For seaway supplies, our key loading ports include Navlakhi, Kandla and Mundra, connecting us efficiently to coastal and international routes. In addition, our storage facilities at Dahej enable us to efficiently serve customers across South Gujarat. At present, we supply approximately 1.5 million metric tons of industrial salt annually and stock of 4 lakh metric tons on hand at any point of time. With our existing infrastructure and ongoing expansions, our goal is to scale this to 2.5 million metric tons per year by 2026-27, ensuring long-term supply security for our clients. We are proud to be trusted suppliers to leading names across industries, including GACL, GNAL, Reliance, GFL, Meghmani, GHCL, Tata Chemicals, Primo Chemicals, Orient Paper, and many more. We have been appreciated by Indian Railways for achieving the highest transportation of industrial salt 2023 to 2024. Our growth is not just about volume, it is about building long-term partnerships, strengthening trust, and continuously improving how we serve our clients. Because for us, delivering salt is not just a business, it is a responsibility. Yug Enterprise, a legacy built on experience, expanded by vision to horizons without limits.